Good day, sir. In behalf of our team, I will be the one to talk about Burglar Alarm Chapter 1, 2, and 3. So, group name Reject. Chapter 1 Introduction. A burglar alarm is a linchpin of your security system because it detects when someone is in your home when they should not be. A burglar alarm will be helpful for those who has important or expensive belongings. Background of the study. The main purpose of the burglar alarm is to sense a burglar and send an alert to your mobile application which notify you. We will add a notification device for viewing purposes to notify the possible burglar and the owner will then notice. Statement of the problem. Security is one of the major factors that does not implemented totally to our homes. In relation to this problem, people should pay attention in securing. The factors needed to consider are the efficiency and security. By this burglar alarm, the owner will now know how to ensure the safety of his/her belongings. So objectives: to design and to develop alarm to detect a burglar, to design a system that notifies the owner when there is a possible burglar. So our theoretical framework and framework conceptual. Then significance of the study. Using burglar alarm, we can detect motion. It sends a signal to your security mobile app. This alert you to a potential threat and to secure your important belonging. Scope and limitation. Detect a burglar within a private small room only from the sensor. It only alarm when there is a motion found and limited only those who produce heat. Electric-based sensor and needed internet to function to be able to notify the owner. The detection distance range from 25 cm to 20 meter. Definition of terms. Burglar, linchpin, mobile, PIR sensor, and the threat. Next is ang chapter 2. So, the review of related literature. And then, the reference. So, the chapter 3, research methodology. And first, ang research design. In this paper, the design and realization of the burglar alarm for how security-based Ethernet is present. The development of microcontroller carried out burglar detection that supports tracking techniques to provide vital security when control and alert operation inside and outside the home. Research setting. The best placement for a burglar alarm is in a corner of the room that has good viewpoint of your entryway and easy to detect any changes in the room. So the research variable burglar alarm is current use include pedometers and accelerometers. This device may be used for purposes of surveillance, clinical research, and program evaluation. Burglar alarm has been used to characterize population-based activity levels for the purposes of monitoring national physical activity levels and evaluating the attainment of the physical activity recommendation both at individual and population level. Clinical setting. Clinical uses of burglar alarm include measurement of the processes and outcome of programs in which exercise enhancements and increased daily activity are variables of interest. Much work has been conducted with pedometers as means to motivate clinical groups to exercise, include people with diabetes, obesity, and congestive heart failure. So research and program evaluation. Apart from research sustaining the validity, reliability, and stability of these devices, in a specific group and setting, burglar alarm has been used to measure adherence to experiment exercise control protocols and relationship between pre-living physical activity and other variables such as functional capacity, self-efficacy for walking, and health status. Burglar alarm technology may also be used to evaluate and improve the quality of rehabilitation programs and program changes. So this is our system flow or the flow chart or the block diagram. First start, yang i-collect ang data, and then after pag-collect the data, mado din siya sa decision. If movement is equal to 1, if no, stop na siya. Pero if yes, mag-buzz siya and then yang i-notify ang owner. And then mado din siya balik sa decision if movement is equal to 1. So if yes, mag-buzz din mag-notify owner siya. As long as there is a movement, mag-buzz and mag-notify siya sa owner. So for instance, when the burglar alarm receives data, it will be then forwarded to find its corresponding pixel and undergoes comparison before going to the operator. So inani amo ang testing methods. So the research design will be tested through a simple method described in the figure above. A motion sensor is a device that notices moving object, mainly people. A burglar alarm is frequently incorporated as a component of a system that routinely perform a task or else alert a user of motion in a region. This sensor form a very important component of security, home, control, energy efficiency, and other helpful system. Burglar alarm react to different situations like movement in your living room, doors, or windows. So that will be all. Thank you.